Hi everyone. Today I took a trade based upon what I introduced to you guys, which I was basically using during my college life when I was not having laptop to trade. That's why I traded that strategy on my mobile. So let's see what happened. We will take a trade in ICICI Bank. Its price is 949 right now. But some of you guys can say you said 500 rupees stock yesterday. Now you are saying that we will trade on 900 price stock.
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग 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 करता है तू
But I am not cheating. Yesterday in that strategy, I also said you can trade any stock. As per our strategy, today, unfortunately, the opening of ICICI Bank was in whole numbers. If we do all calculation according to strategy, the deciding factor in this case will be 951 and 947. To buy and sell, now we will place orders. As you can see, market broke 951. We got our stock in our portfolio. Now we will place book profit order same as what our loss booking order is in downside, which is 4 rupees in this case. So our target will be 955, which is 4 rupees from our buying price. Let's place order now. This trade took more than 1 hour, so we will fast forward it. As you can see, we booked our profit. Now, today ICICI Bank was dancing up and down, so it made me difficult to hold, but I hold it until my target. So you can calculate this in your calculator that we bought our stock on 951 and sold it at 955. So our profit was 4 rupees and our quantity was 70 quantity. So if you will multiply 4 into 70, our profit will be 280. In next video, I will introduce an strategy based on charts. So subscribe channel and like for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.